SS Wrecking Ball is playing in the background.
The elevator.
Oh boy, this is happening.
Oh dear.
What?
I see deer.
Yeah, whose idea was this?
It was yours.
Oh crap.
Now we're going to slide forward into the drop area.
This ride makes some awesome noises. Oh man.
Get ready.
Remember, watch out for the kerchunk. That's the worst part. Oh crap.
Oh dear.
Oh no, it's broken.
Dang it.
Oh god! Here comes the kerchunk! Oh god! Oh! Get ready for the kerchunk! Oh! Oh crap! Here it comes! Here it comes! Oh! 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 Stupid demon drop! Oh! I still like the kerchunk. Yeah. It's sort of a guilty pleasure. It's awful, but I love it. Oh look, now they're gonna hit the kerchunk.
That was either Sarah or Jack.